It has arrived, the ATLAS Throttle Lock, and in this video I will install it on my bike. This is included in the package. It's the throttle lock, and we have some stickers, some pads, and some screws. I have the top mounted kit, and the reason for this is because of my heated grips. So this cable is not in my way with the top mounted kit. The first thing we have to do is to take this off from the throttle lock. It's installed like this, and you just pull this one up. We clean this part with wipe. Now we take one of the pads and stick it to the throttle lock on the cleaned part. Now it's time to place the throttle lock in the gap between the grip and the throttle house. Look at the clamp arm. The tooth side slides into the V cutout. Find a good location for the body piece on the throttle tube. Then connect the clamp arm to the body piece. Now we are going to clamp this down. And it's very easy. You just press this together. And then you're going to tighten this bolt here. So you see, now it's in the locked position, and now it's off. And it's this little pad. I don't know if you see it. The pad here pushes against the throttle housing. And you can override it very easy. You see, now it's locked, but if it's a panic situation, I just do like this. So let's take it for a spin. I will test ride it on a little quicker road up ahead. To engage the throttle lock, you just press this button here. Now it's engaged, and now we are cruising. And shut it off like that. We are going 80 kilometers per hour. There we have it. And now it rides itself. You can see 80, 81, 82. And when it goes a little bit downhill, the speed increases a little bit. And now we are going a little bit uphill, and we will see that the speed will slow a little bit. So I can manage. If I think that I'm going too fast, I can just dial in the throttle and leave it there. So now we are riding with the ATLAS Throttle Lock. You can see no hands. This was an anniversary gift. I've been married 2 years, and my wife bought the ATLAS Throttle Lock for me. So the pros with this. The good thing is that I think this is the best throttle lock on the market. It's very easy to engage and disengage,
It works really well. It's well made. It's not a plastic thing. It's made of metal and very high quality. I think it's 2 years warranty on this piece of kit. What's the con with this? Well, it's very pricey. At least it's pricey if you compare it to other throttle locks. There are some cheap ones, really cheap ones, like 15-20 bucks. But this throttle lock with shipping cost us $169. So it's not cheap, but then it's not cheaply made either.